A warm welcome to Nusrat Bharucha and Rajkumar Rao because we are going to be talking to them for their upcoming Lang. Obviously, there's not a single person in the country who does not know these fantastic actors. One as there's no need for an introduction for Rajkumar. He has blown us away with every role. Nusrat is known for a flair of comedy, but along with that, I feel that people in Bollywood has not really explored her potential theatre. Those who have not seen her do drama, please watch Akashwani. Filal,
Oh, thank you.
so huge round of welcome to you all both.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
So before I dive into Chalang, one first question I want to ask you all: how is it when the lead pair of one of the cult films of Hindi cinema, में थिएटर में तो वो चली थी, लेकिन उसके बाद उसकी जो रन आई थी लव सेक्स और धोखा की, it's become a cult film, and after that you all are back. What are the kind of conversations when these two co-stars come together back on the set?
We are very excited that we are getting a chance to work together again after 10 years after LSD. And I've seen Nusrat's career graph, and she has chosen some really amazing parts, and she has really grown as an actor a lot. I think she's very, very, very talented. So I
Look who's speaking. Look who's speaking.
no, no,
It's his choice of films, his paths, his career that I look up to.
Yeah, but लेकिन आपने भी अच्छा काम किया है, Nusrat.
और अच्छा काम.
Yes. What would you like to add to that, Nusrat? When the first time you met Rajkumar, I'm sure you must have bumped into, but working again after 10 years, what was that?
But for me on LSD sets only, Raj was one of the first actors that I became friendly with, and somehow we kept running into each other. I've not run into any of the other actors of LSD, but I kept running into him at various intervals of my life. मतलब कहीं गोवा में मिल गया, कहीं यहाँ मिल गया, कहीं एक कॉफी शॉप के बाहर रास्ते पे मिल गया. I'm like, how am I constantly running into this man? So it gives you a sense of feeling that some paths are meant to be crossed, and I was just waiting to do another film with him, and I'm so glad that film is Chalang and that we've come together after 10 years in this film, and it just felt like Raji, it's our sunset again. Like it was that feeling when I first met him, and I was like, I'm just really happy to be here, very, very happy.
As we all are to see all back together, Chalang is, I could say this is a sports film, लेकिन बहुत ही अलग sports film है, क्योंकि starting में तो आधा ट्रेलर तो रोमांस में चला जाता है. राजकुमार का थोड़ा सा थोड़े कुछ शरारते हैं उनकी, and then ये hardcore sports film में चली जाती है. So what was that thing? Is this the aspect that caught you all also as actors when reading the script? कि दो halves है, पहला romance और फिर sports.
Yeah, definitely. I think both the characters, they definitely go through a shift in the first half and the second half, and that's the beauty of the script. There's so much of entertainment factor in the film. There's so much of like lovely, wonderful comedy in the film, and then how it becomes so aspirational towards the later stage. I think I was very excited for that, to explore that side of the script.
Nusrat, how
Yes,
much?
same here. I think when Nilima comes into the film, she doesn't realize the importance and the part she's going to play in actually changing a man's life and his viewpoint on what he's doing, on children, on what a teacher should be, what responsibilities you have, how much you can actually influence somebody's life and make it a better place for them. And that's actually what a teacher is. Like, he kind of puts you on the right path, or at least shows you some light which you could walk towards and find your own sort of path from there. So it's interesting how she kind of got intertwined into his life and his world, and she took him on as a person to kind of nurture and kind of guide, and there was a beautiful love story that kind of happened there. It's a very unusual love story,
Yeah.
but it kind of unraveled right there. So yeah.
Would you all also say that this is probably Hansal Mehta ji's most commercial film in some time, because काफी commercial aspects इसमें लग रही है. आप लोग भी कहेंगे?
Well, commercial in a way, because our film has songs, our film has a lot of comedy. So that's the only thing that makes it commercial. But apart from that, I think the way he tells stories with utmost honesty and to keep that realism around his characters very much alive, that's the same thing in this film also. But yeah, our film is, I think, a little more reachable that way. This one.
Nusrat, somewhere I read, I'm not sure whether it is ki you were really waiting, you know, we were really wanting to work with Hansal Mehta. Is this right? कहीं ना कहीं तो मैंने ये पढ़ा था.
नहीं सच है. He was one of the directors that were on my list to work with, and I felt like मेरे filmography में हंसल सर की फिल्म होनी ही होनी चाहिए. But I mean, right up before this film, I thought that he would probably not cast me because I've been doing roles that are such,
hardcore mainstream roles.
Yeah, and also very different from his cinema and his world. Some of my roles have actually been quite caricaturish and done from a point of view to annoy audiences and people altogether. And I don't know, I felt like maybe he'd not see me in his world, and maybe I'd not probably fit into his sort of worldview of cinema. And for him to come and say that, no, I mean, I think that's just absolutely amazing when a director knows that an actor is an actor. He's given a role, and that's what he does. That role doesn't become the last of what he or she is potentially, you know, capable of doing. And it was just amazing that he could trust me with that. And he was just so helpful through it all. I'm really, really happy that I'm part of his films.
That also shows how the industry sees you as an actor. Like Rajkumar's opening statement was, they do see you as an actor. So
yeah.
We do definitely.
So Rajkumar, there's another striking aspect. I do not know आपने इसके बारे में कितना सोचा है कि कितना लोगों ने आपसे ये बात कही है. लेकिन एक टाइम था 70s में राजेश खन्ना जी, धर्मेंद्र, बड़े बड़े हीरोज, मेन स्ट्रीम हीरोज, वो लोग हाफ पैंट पहन के पूरी फिल्म चलाते थे. ये हमने आफ्टर दैट हीरो चेंज, हीरो हैड टू बी इन जीन्स, हीरो हैड टू बी इन जैकेट. ये बहुत टाइम के बाद हम देख रहे हैं कि हीरो एक हाफ पैंट में वही स्वैग के साथ, ऐसा नहीं कि हाफ पैंट में घोचू टाइप के, वही स्वैग के साथ पूरा हीरोगिरी कर रहा है. इसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए. व्हेन यू फर्स्ट वोर्ड एट हाफ पैंट एंड ऑल.
आई थिंक इट वाज ऑलवेज इन द स्क्रिप्ट. वो लव सर ने जब स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी तो हमेशा से मोंटू का जो कैरेक्टर था वो हाफ पैंट में घूमता था, बिकॉज वो आई थिंक दिल से कहीं ना कहीं बच्चा है अभी भी. और उसका एक्चुअली फिल्म में एक सीन भी है जहाँ पे वो जिक्र भी करता है कि वो क्यों हाफ पैंट पहनता है, तो वो आपको फिल्म में देखने को मिलेगा. बट इट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर मी आल्सो. लाइक इट वाज अ गुड चेंज, क्योंकि हमेशा जब स्टाइलिंग होती है तो ऐसे करते हैं कि थोड़ा सा हाउ वी कैन मेक द कैरेक्टर लुक देयर बेस्ट. बट आई थिंक व्हेन दे टोल्ड मी कि ये हाफ पैंट पहन के घूमता है, लाइक वाओ, दिस इज सो कूल. So I really enjoyed the idea of Montu wearing half pants.
No, that's काश हम शायद और हीरोज देखेंगे ऐसे, सो बावर्ची और वो there's another thing that I've been now meaning to ask both, since you all are both over here. Chhalang is coming. It's a proper Diwali release. Okay, yeah. It's a proper Diwali release. But कहीं ना कहीं क्या आप लोग को लगता है कि it is also a blessing in disguise कि ये सब जो हुआ है, थिएटर्स अभी भी बंद है, so it is coming directly on a big platform, okay, a big OTT platform like Amazon, यहाँ पे it will grab so many eyeballs. क्योंकि शायद थिएटर्स में रिलीज होती, obviously there is Lakshmi Bom also there, वो थिएटर्स हॉक करते, we all know the scenario. लेकिन अभी ऐसा सिनारियो है कि लोग तो अगर शायद सुबह देखेंगे भी लक्ष्मी बम, उनके पास तो फिर रिमोट है, वो लोग शाम को ये भी देखेंगे, तो वो लोग सोचेंगे नहीं 2 टिकट हम खरीद रहे हैं. सो इज दिस अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज?
नो, एग्जैक्टली. आई थिंक ओटीटी का ये एक फायदा है. लाइक आई पर्सनली, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय सेल्फ, आई आल्सो ऑलवेज लुक फॉर कंटेंट कि क्या नया आया है, क्या नया देख सकते हैं. एंड ऑल ऑफ अस, स्पेशली इन पैंडेमिक, आई थिंक वी नीड सम रिलीफ, वी नीड सम एंटरटेनमेंट. एंड इट्स कमिंग आउट, एज यू सेड, इट्स कमिंग आउट ऑन दिवाली, व्हिच इज अ बिग फेस्टिव सीजन. And our film is such जिसको आप पूरी फैमिली के साथ, it's a clean comedy, it's a clean family comedy. तो अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ आप दिवाली पे 13 जून को आ रही है. So whenever you feel like on 13, 14, whenever you want, you can always watch it as per your convenience.
दूसरा कुछ आप इसमें ऐड करना चाहोगे?
हाँ यार, I feel like OTT ना is, apart from the fact that the lines are merging and blurring, I feel like it will reach the audiences, and एक पॉइंट के बाद ना द ऑडियंस विल बिकम द ट्रू जज कि हमें ये पिक्चर पसंद आई इस वजह से, हमें ये पिक्चर नहीं पसंद आई इस वजह से. बट अगर आप वो इन्फ्लुएंस में देखते हो ना कि अरे बॉक्स ऑफिस में बहुत तगड़ा कमाल कर रही है फिल्म, तो हम देखने जाए, और अगर नहीं कर रही है तो हम देखने नहीं जाते. दैट्स वेयर वी लूज ऑडियंसेस. बट आई फील लाइक ओटीटी स्टैंडर्डाइजेस दैट कि इट्स अवेलेबल, हर फिल्म आपके लिए अवेलेबल है. अब आप अपने माइंड से खुद जज बन के, I think we'll get a true audience through an OTT, which I think I'm most happy about. That even films which should get better response and should do better business will get those audiences loyalty because they're able to watch it on an OTT screen at home. which is a great blessing.
Nusrat, now after now that you are doing, I mean, काफी अच्छी है. I mean, last Dream Girl was a huge hit, अच्छी role थी, and before that also the प्यार का पंचनामा, सोनू की ट्यूटी की सिटी, अच्छी filmography बनी है उनकी. Now there's obviously this. Somewhere or another you feel too, because like I remember discussing with you during the Sonu Ki Titu success party. You know, you also had told me one very good thing. Nobody came and asked me how I felt about doing that role. लोग अपनी judgment कर रहे थे, अपनी judgment कर रहे थे, चाहे वो feminist है, non-feminist है, किसी ने मुझसे नहीं पूछा. So do you think so now that you have done these roles, somewhere or another जो लोग वो backlash कर रहे थे, वो भी conversation die out हो गए, or is that something going to always be there like a monkey on your back?
I don't know, yeah. I mean, I feel, I remember having that discussion with you because I just found it very funny. I mean, if you're going to call the film a certain way, कि ये तो लड़कों की कहानी थी, लड़कियां तो इसमें सिर्फ इफेक्ट के लिए थी, फिर ये क्यों हुआ और ऐसा क्यों किया गया, उसके सवाल भी आप सिर्फ लड़कों से ही पूछ रहे हो, तो फिर जिसने ये पिक्चर बनाई उसने सही तो किया है, उसने भी लड़कों के लिए पिक्चर बनाई, बिकॉज आप एज एन ऑडियंस भी लड़कों के लिए ही सवाल पूछ रहे हो, लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. आपने भी लड़की को एक मजाक ही बना के रख दिया उधर कि ठीक है, we cracked a few jokes on her and we had a fun laughter time, but I feel like it is eventually reflection of what people are liking and what people are not liking. While we were promoting PKP, there were so many girls and so many people who wanted to constantly hear the monologue over and over again. So of course it's because they connect to it and they like it, तभी तो वो पिक्चरें चल पाती हैं. अब कब ये कौन उसको एक्सेप्ट करेगा, कौन नहीं करेगा, और वो क्या बर्ताव आएगा, वो तो I honestly feel audiences will let you know. They are your true judge. वो बता देंगे आपको कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. हम अपना काम करते जाएंगे बस.
आपको आप अच्छी काम कर रही हो, जरूर आप वो करते जाइए. राजकुमार, there is going to be Rajkumar versus Rajkumar this time.
Sorry, Rajkumar.
Rajkumar versus Rajkumar this time. Okay, I'm not sure. ये पहले हुआ है आपके साथ? I don't think so. कहीं में आपका, I don't remember. Yes. So that also shows something about you as obviously Ludo is an ensemble. This is यहाँ पे आप दोनों हैं. You all are carrying this film. But that also shows something about your evolution as an actor from somewhere, you know, जब आपने शायद पहला role था as a newsreader and run to the time where you have 2 releases coming on a major festival. Somewhere evolution as an actor. When you look back now and all the struggles, and we know you're struggling a lot, how do you feel to go from there to reach this journey now? How do you feel?
How do I feel? I feel very happy. I feel very blessed that I'm working. You know, I'm a working actor today. Because this is something I badly love. I can't see myself doing anything else in life apart from acting. So I'm getting a chance to do this. So I feel very fortunate, and it's overwhelming. You know, as you said, like 10 years back, when I did those very, very small parts in films, and today then these 2 films are coming, and one with Anurag Basu and one with Hansal Mehta, and these 2 are such big directors of our country. So I don't think so I can ask for anything else. I think I'm just, God has been really kind to me.
True. Okay, so this has been amazing talking to you all about your journey, talking to you all about Chhalang. Before going, the last thing probably you all would want to tell all your audience out there, the Bollywood like audience, everybody watch this video. The USPs of Chhalang, beside obviously Rajkumar, Nusrat and Hansal, who are the 3 driving forces of the movie, what would you all say would be the USPs of Chhalang?
Nusrat?
I would honestly like to call it a film that makes you actually take a छलांग. Means हमारे में एक technical word है, call to action, which basically means something that makes the audiences want to take an action. It's so not only is our title like that, but our film's underlying current emotion is that jazba to kind of go out there and fight back, to kind of take that leap of faith, or to do some action in your life to bring yourself out of wherever you're stuck, and wherever you feel like, okay, now I don't know what to do here, it will tell you to take that one straight chalang out there, and you will fall correctly. You will fall right and you will fall correct. Just do something about it. So that I think is one of the USPs of it.
And final word from the man himself.
I think a team of Chhalang, you know, Hansal sirs, who's just come out of this great series, Scam, 1992, and then whatever work he's done, he has a lot of respect. He's earned a lot of respect for himself. I think Hansal sir coming and meeting Love sirs, you know, like commercial world, and his humor, his writing, which is so amazing. I think these two people coming together, and then all of us, working for them in this film. I think the team is a USP of Chalang.
Sure. So everybody out there, definitely do not miss Chalang. मैं तो बोलता दिवाली के दिन ही आप लोग देख लीजिए. And thank you so much, Rajkumar and Nusrat. Always a pleasure.
Thank
talking to
you.
all. It will always be
Thank
a pleasure. And all the best for all your future projects.